In this video, we will show you how to transfer Google Photos to laptop. To transfer your all photo on Google Photos into your laptops, so you have backup when the Google Photos is lost. In here, just open your Google Photos first and go to your Google Photos account. In here, the first method, manually, and the lowest speed to backup or transfer your photo by clicking one by one like this and click download button. After you click download button, your photo will save into your laptop like this. But in here, I have some advice. You can download the all photos on your Google Photos and transfer it into your laptop with easy method. First, you need to create some albums. Okay, if you don't have album, you can just click create album. For example, this is how we call with transfer photos, and click add photos here, and you can select all of your photos here by clicking your photos, and you can hold shift button on your keyboard and select the last photos, and in here you down to select the photos limited to 500 photos with fast method, and you can click done. After that, you can share the photos and you can click create link here, and you can click create link, and you can copy in here. For example, you can download in another browser. I will show you. This is I'm not signed in into my account. You can download all of this photo just clicking the three dot icons here and then click download all, and your photo will download into zip format. You can see there. When we open the files, all of your photo will be ready in here. Okay, and once again, if your current album doesn't have the updated photos on your Google Photos, you can just clicking your album like this. For example, this is just contain 2 of my photos. When my photos exactly have 3 photos, you can just click this and edit your album. After that, you can click this icon and you can add the last one photos. Okay, that not exist into your album, and you can click done. Now you can share this album content all of your photo here. You can also delete if you don't want to back up the photos with click this icon. After you done, you can just copy the link. And that's all tutorial how to transfer the Google Photos into your laptop as backup. Hope this video helpful for you.